Finally, I decide to modify the dongle. I insert the bridge for the bias T supply, and I resoldered also the SMA connector. Soldering was a really disaster. Now the dongle is ready to supply the low noise amplifier through the cable. Okay, on the back side, and the SMA looks much better than before. As I sold my previous patch antenna to the lucky guy, I made a quickie one using just a masking tape and some acid to etch the PCB patch antenna, and the result is quite visible. Return loss 26-27 dB, not bad for a quick calculation. I'm using a linear polarization for the moment, and then later on I will switch to the circular polarization. To get some gain and to lower the noise figure, I will use the LNA for all with the bias T feature, so I can use the power supply from the dongle itself. So let's see what we will get with the small patch antenna and the preamplifier. And here is the complete setup. Dongle, preamplifier, and indoor small patch antenna, linear polarization. I'm surprised that I see any signal. So this is the aerial signals, 1.2K and 0.6. So the signals are weak, but this is what we expect from indoor setup and a small antenna. Yeah, we can see trace wideband signals. I switched from the homebrew patch to the GPS patch antenna, and we can compare the results. So this is the signal with the homebrew patch. Let's see the signal with the GPS patch. So there is no signal at all. So even with the linear polarization, this is much better than the circular RHCP original GPS antenna. I'm back to the small patch antenna, and the size is, well, the ground plane is big, but the antenna is small. Difference is not so big. So let's see the signal with the patch antenna again. Okay, so here is the signal, another here and another here, weak one. I add now another preamplifier, so I have two amplifiers in chain. The gain should be around 30 decibels. 31 dB, and let's see the signal comparing just to the one preamplifier. So this was the signal with one preamp and see the difference. Okay, let's reduce the contrast. A little bit better, nothing special. Okay. Yeah, this is my signal, my phone interfering. So, 9A4 Quinn Vector testing L-band setup.